Are you ready to discover a groundbreaking new Reddit trick that can put $650 a day in your pocket? If you're looking for fresh and innovative ways to make money online in 2023, you're in the right place. In this video, we're about to unveil a game-changing method that leverages the power of Reddit to help you earn a substantial income. No, you don't need to be a Reddit expert, and you certainly don't need any previous experience. Stick around as we reveal the secrets to getting paid $650 a day using this new Reddit trick. Let's get started!
Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Let's explore this step-by-step process in more details. The platform we are diving into is Reddit. While Reddit is a familiar name for many, it's important to recognize it as more than just a platform for online communities and influencers. Reddit offers a unique avenue to generate income, and to embark on this journey, we need to navigate another website called Kickbooster. To initiate this process, simply type kickbooster.me into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Kickbooster is a specialized platform that provides technological solutions for crowdfunding developers, with a primary focus on campaign promotion. What makes it interesting is the potential to earn daily commissions by engaging in activities related to boosting campaigns. Kickbooster enables you to participate in a variety of campaigns and collaborate with various companies. To begin earning money on this platform, the first step is to create an account. Locate the sign up button in the upper right hand corner of the Kickbooster website. Once you click on it, you will encounter three options: Project Creator, Affiliate Marketers, and Merchant. Be sure to select Affiliate Marketers. Upon selecting Affiliate Marketers, you'll be directed to a page where you can set up your Affiliate Marketer account. Here, you'll need to provide your name, email address, PayPal email, where you will receive your payments, password, and of course, your location. It's worth noting that Kickbooster supports users from all countries, whether you're in India, South Africa, the United States, the Philippines, or anywhere else in the world. After completing these fields, tick the check boxes as indicated and confirm that you're not a robot by completing the CAPTCHA below. Finally, click Submit. Once you've signed up, you'll need to verify your account by checking your email. Look for an email from Kickbooster and click the provided link to validate your email address. With that done, you can access your Kickbooster account dashboard on the website. Your primary role is to utilize the unique affiliate links assigned to you for your selected projects on Kickbooster. Whenever a successful transaction occurs through your affiliate link, you receive compensation. And the more you contribute, the more you earn. In return, we will demonstrate how to leverage Reddit to share your affiliate links strategically within interest groups that align with the Kickbooster products you've chosen. This approach widens your promotional reach beyond traditional social media platforms, offering you additional avenues to explore and maximize your earnings. Before we continue, please like this video if it meets your interests. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Let's delve into the next steps of this process in more detail. The following phase involves the selection of campaigns. Begin by visiting the website's marketplace, where you will encounter a wide array of available campaigns. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll find a specific option for selecting the type of product, service, or idea. Utilizing Kickbooster makes the selection process efficient, helping you identify campaigns that align with your level of experience in earning. Now, let's organize your campaign search results effectively. You can do this by considering various factors such as funding levels, recency, and commissions. Pay close attention to the commission percentages outlined in the campaigns. For example, you might come across campaigns offering around 10% commission, which is a promising starting point. Once you've made your campaign selections, you'll receive a kick booster link for promotion, which leads us to the next step. Now, let's dive into the realm of effective self-promotion and income generation. We have identified where to post campaigns, and shortly we will provide you with guidance on how to efficiently utilize Reddit to reach a targeted audience that shares an interest in your selected offerings. For example, let's choose this project right here as our focus. Upon selecting your product, the next steps are straightforward. Click on the chosen item and you'll be directed to a new page. By selecting the View Campaign tab, you gain access to additional details, including the earnings it has generated. It's also wise to research this product thoroughly to understand its details and why people should consider getting it. Before diving into specifics, return to the previous page and select the Boost Your Campaign option. This action will lead you to a new page where you can obtain your referral link. The process continues as you navigate to Reddit.com and sign up for an account using the email associated with your Reddit profile. Now that you have a Reddit account, it's time to reveal the subreddit where you will post your affiliate product. This is how it's called, and here you'll discover a wide array of unique products that aren't mainstream but have a high demand. This subreddit boasts over 1 million members, which is quite substantial. Your objective is basically to create a new post incorporating images or videos of the affiliate product, along with your referral link. You can also add a concise description of the product and why people should consider it. To boost traffic, your aim should be to gather a significant number of views, clicks, and meaningful interactions. The next task involves engaging with other similar communities that align with your offering. For instance, if your product relates to technology, the internet, mobile phones, or related topics, these communities should be your primary targets. Identify groups that share interests linked to your campaign's goals. Joining as many relevant communities as possible is highly recommended for maximum exposure. Reddit groups house a substantial number of active users and vibrant discussions that can expedite your progress. It's essential to create multiple well-crafted Reddit posts aligned with your campaign's objectives, strategically including your link to capture attention. After following these steps, you simply wait for engagement from a substantial number of individuals. They will view your posts, click the link, and potentially make purchases. If a transaction occurs due to your prompted campaign, your commission will be automatically credited to you. You can seamlessly continue your daily routine while keeping an eye on your notifications. After a few days, you may receive messages indicating your earned commissions. Now, this approach lies in effective communication and sharing as much relevant information as possible. In essence, this process involves selecting, promoting, and engaging with Reddit communities to drive attention to your Kick Booster campaign. By following these steps and maximizing your efforts, you can make the most out of the strategy and potentially earn commissions from your prompted campaigns. And that's it for today. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads.